Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to see how to install Flatpaks in Debian. So you have to install the Flatpak support before you start to install the Flatpaks. So to install the Flatpak support you have to go to this flatpak.org website. There you have to click on this button, get setup. Then you have to click on the distro you want to install the Flatpak support. So here you can see the instructions are given. So first thing you have to do, you have to run the command sudo apt install Flatpak. Then once this command is executed, you have to issue another command sudo apt install gnome software plugin Flatpak. If you are having a gnome desktop, if you are having the KDE desktop, you have to issue another command. You have to not use this command, that is you have to use this command sudo apt install plasma discover backend Flatpak. Once that is done, you have to add the Flatpak repository. So for that the command is flatpak remote add if not exist flatpak https dl.flatpak.org repo flatpak.flatpak repo, and you have to restart your system. So 100% you require to restart the system, otherwise you won't be able to search the Flatpak application packages in your software manager, or even from terminal also you won't be able to search and add Flatpak application packages. And for other desktop, how to add the Flatpak support, we will see in another video. For today's video only, we will see how to add the Flatpak support in GNOME and KDE desktops. Once this is done, after you have restarted the system, you have to come here. You can see here the support for Flatpak has been added. Now you can search through the Flatpak repository, that is the flatpak.org, locally from your terminal or from the software manager. So in software manager, you have to just search for the application name, and then the software store will show you two options. First, the native deb package and the Flatpak version. So you can choose between any one of them. And if you want to use the terminal, you have to do it like this. So you have to do sudo flatpak search telegram. Now one thing is, before you issue this command, you should always do sudo apt update, or you can do sudo flatpak update. So that will update, or that will sync the local repository with the server of flatpak.org, and then it will update all the available package entries. And then after doing that, you have to use this sudo flatpak search telegram. For example, I have taken telegram application package. Now it will show us all the packages that are with the name telegram. So you can see here. Then you have to choose the correct package. So choosing is your work if you do it from terminal, because in terminal it is more manual, and in software manager immediately it will show only the application name. So other packages are not shown in software manager, but here all the packages having the name telegram or having the word telegram in the package name, all will be shown. So you have to select the application correct application package. So the first, that is the application package, rest are there, but you can see this second package, that is also named telegram, but it is a WebView add-on. So that is add-on for the main application package, that is telegram, shown on the first line. Then others are some kind of we can say compatibility packages. So they will enable different you can say compatibility between other packages. For example, libre telegram is there, I think. So libre tag, some other packages are also there, but they all have some telegram name in their application name, that's why it is shown. But you have to select only the first, and maybe if you want you can go with the WebView, that is a add-on package. So you can install this too. So that for that you have to issue command sudo flatpak install. Just like sudo apt install, you have to use sudo flatpak. So instead of apt, you always use flatpak, sudo flatpak, to install Flatpaks on your Debian or Ubuntu based system. So in my case, I will use sudo flatpak install telegram, and then second package also you can add. So those two packages will be installed, and then you can start using the Telegram. You can configure your Telegram account and you can just start using that. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.